fishing vessel long run, hailing fishing vessel long run. Do you have a copy? Not going to be on 16. They're going to be on 68 or 72 here. If anybody sees them, have them return to port immediately. The people that are on board are up to no good. They're going to try to pirate the boat. If anybody sees a long-run fishing vessel, that 45-foot CHB in blue, hail Captain Mike and get them to return back to the marina immediately. I'm going to 68.
Why don't you call the Coast Guard?
I already have, brother. You're already late on it. Now I'm trying to hail them first. So the Coast Guard, Harbor Police, they're already out there doing their thing.
Hey, what was the name of that vessel again, and what's it look like?